Away they go. Stream connection from the outside. Moving up is reporter. Neither Star Speedy Kim. Santiago Naizen Easy Royal Family. Inside the last 700. Stream connection followed by reporter in second. Neither Star racing third by about 2 lines. Speedy Kim racing fourth by the Royal Family. Naizen Easy. Inside the last 500, Rim Connection by a length and a half, followed by Reporter. As they race the final corner, is Rim Connection, this time by about 2 lengths, followed by Reporter in second. Neither Star down on the inside, and here comes Royal Family, Speedy Kim. And nearing the finish line, the icebreaker, number 5, the favorite, Extreme Connection. Reporter, Neither Star, Royal Family, and for your Pentafecta, number 3 is Speedy Kim.